Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating simple power and input issues. First, unplug and reseat the monitor power and video cable. Do it firmly so connectors click. Once done, switch the monitor input using its buttons to match HDMI or display port. Make sure any power strip or surge protector is turned on and not tripped. You want basic hardware certainty before probing software settings. These quick steps remove the most common causes of an unexpected standby. Next, focus on the operating system and drivers. You should open power options and set display sleep to a longer interval or never, then save settings. Make sure you update your graphics driver and any monitor firmware. Outdated drivers can falsely signal standby. Disable adaptive brightness or automatic dimming features and turn off USB selective suspend if the monitor uses USB power. These steps tackle software that can override your hardware and send the monitor into standby. For final resolution, isolate the fault by testing the monitor with another computer or a different cable. This tells you if the monitor itself is at fault. If it still sleeps, reset the monitor to factory defaults from the on-screen menu. This clears custom sleep behaviors. If problems persist, inspect for edit handshake faults or a failing power board. You may hear clicks or see inconsistent backlight behavior. If you hit a wall, one key troubleshooting tip: try a known good cable and source to rule out the simplest external causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.